Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Forerunner 55. To begin, power on your device by holding the light button for a few seconds. Next, pair it with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone to unlock its full potential. Take a moment to customize your watch face and data fields, ensuring your most important information is always visible. Don't forget to set up your user profile, including your weight and height, for accurate tracking. Once set up, tracking your activities is straightforward. From the activity menu, select your desired profile like run or bike. For outdoor activities, wait for GPS acquisition, which usually takes only a few moments to ensure accurate distance and pace. During your workout, monitor key metrics such as your current pace, distance covered, and heart rate. After finishing, simply press the stop button and choose to save or discard your activity. The Forerunner 55 offers several powerful features to enhance your training. Utilize Pace Pro for personalized pace guidance, helping you achieve your race goals. Keep an eye on your body battery energy levels to understand when you're ready for your next workout or need to prioritize recovery. It also tracks your sleep stages, providing valuable insights into your rest quality. Plus, access daily suggested workouts tailored to your current fitness. To ensure your Forerunner 55 serves you well for years, proper maintenance is key. Keep it charged. It offers up to 20 hours of battery life in GPS mode or up to 2 weeks in smartwatch mode. Regularly sync your data with Garmin Connect for detailed analysis and to track your progress over time. A quick wipe with a damp cloth keeps it clean. Explore custom alerts and activity profiles to truly personalize your training experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.